So get your calculator out. Our goal today is just to take these messy fractions and see what the percent is. So Michael spends 3/7 of his weekly allowance to buy CDs. That's super old school. It was new school in my day, old school your day. About what percent of his allowance does he spend on CDs to the nearest whole percent? So we're going to do some rounding and we're going to be doing some converting. The first rule is change the fraction to a decimal and the thousandths. So that means you got to go 3 decimal places. You're going to put 3 into your calculator first, divided by 7, and then you get 4.28. Now, that gives me 4.28%, and they want you to round it, so it is about, that symbol means about 43%. So let's take 2/3. 2/3 is one of those ones that I automatically know as 0.6 repeating. So if I took that out to the thousandths place, it'd be 0.667. And now we want to know what that is as a percent. It's 66.7% or 67%. Now 4 out of 9 isn't one that I know very well. Let's throw that into my handy dandy calculator and make sure that you can see the number I'm working on. And I'm going to go really simple. 4 divided by 9 equals 0.4 repeating. So now I know that it's going to be 44.4% or about 44%. Let's try number 3. 5 divided by 8. So 5 goes in first. 5 divided by 8 equals, ooh, I get a nice clean one, 0.625. So that's 62.5%. And they say to round it, so 5 or more, I go up, and I get 63%. Let's try one of these story problems. Tim mowed 5/7 of the yard. What percent of the yard has he finished? So I'm going to convert 5/7 to a decimal. Put it into my calculator. Get a huge messy number. So I'm just going to go to the third decimal place, which is 4. So I have 0.714 equals 71.4%. And I know I'm going to round down because 4 is less than 5. So 71% lawn finished. Go ahead and come see me if you need some help.